So today we'll discuss about the ticketing tools. So ticketing tools. So these ticketing tools are very important here. So in the market we have the service now ticketing tool. So Remedy, right? So Jira. So SM7. So SM7. So SM7, and they are the clarify. So there the multiple ticketing tools are there in the market, ITSM. So ITSM. So these are the multiple ticketing tools are there in service marketplace here. How these ticketing tools are related to the our SAP here. So normally, so any error, any issue in SAP, definitely there should be a associated ticket should be required. Associated ticket should be required here. Ticket means so incident, ticket, request, so changes, service request, problems. So it should be required. Those we will get from the so service now or remedy you will get from the ticketing tools here. So we have the market. So number of are there. Just only few I listed here. So ticketing tools are there here, right? So ticket. So if any error in SAP system, suppose you got the in production, you got the one runtime error. Immediately the associated ticket will be created. In the system log in SM21, you got the critical error, immediately ticket, right? Yeah, so for the respective ticket, the respective ticketing tool will be created. So those things will be used for those things will be used for the so for tracking the issues and everything here, right? Tracking the work and everything. So FTE calculations, those tickets are very important here, right? So normally the types of tickets are there in SAP here. One is the incidents, and the the service request, right? And also the change request, right? And also the problem tickets, the problem tickets here. There are the types of tickets are there, problem tickets. So incident means errors. It starts with the INC example, then number will be generated. So incidents, if any error in SAP system, there is a corresponding one ticket, INC ticket will be created. So it will be automatically, it will be created when you integrate your ticketing tool with the your solution manager or some other third party tools. So automatically any alert generated with respect to ticket will be created here. So the incident starts with the INC, right? So they are the priorities of the incidents are there here, right? The priorities, like we have the priority one, high priority, very high priority, priority two, priority three, priority four here. So they are the priorities. Each ticket, there is a priority are there here, incident tickets. So these priorities are used to, so to fix the issues, to solve the issues, to prioritize the tickets. So those things it will be used here. So P1 ticket means it's a priority. So maximum system down situation, system unavailability situation. So this kind of business impact. So business impact situations, they will create a P1 ticket. P1 ticket means immediately we need to fix the issue. Maybe you have the time, so you have the response time. There is a each and every ticket, there is a response time and a resolution time. Response time and resolution time here. So response time, SLA, so service level agreement. So response time and resolution time. Response time means so once the ticket is received within 30 minutes or 15 minutes, you need to respond. You need to at least acknowledge it to the your name. You need to change the status to the your name, work in progress. You need to update the logs. At the same time, you need to involve the your service desk team, or you need to involve the your higher management people. You need to involve. Why? Because P1 ticket means it's a very high priority ticket. System down situations. System down situations we are doing here. Right? P1 tickets, P1 system situations here. P1 priority one tickets here. right? So that is the main thing here. So here in the P1 systems, P1 tickets, maximum production systems, all production systems, if there are any errors, so errors normally P2, P3 will come. If the system unavailability or system is going to down, so this type of things we will get the P1 tickets. P1 tickets we will get. This P1 tickets will P1 tickets system down situation. There will be a business impact in the production system down. So immediately maybe we have the 3 to 4 hours time to fix the issue. The resolution time might be depends upon the company agreement with the customer. So quickly, immediately we need to fix the issue if it's the P1 ticket here, right? So P2 ticket, so so kind of a high priority. This is not the very high, this is a very high priority system down situation, very high priority. P2 is like a high priority. So only thing is here, high priority means here we have the some time here to fix it, maybe 8 hours, 6 hours time to fix the P2 tickets. It's not the system down situation, but there is a critical error in the system. So that time the ticket priority is the issues, users. So maybe might be some maybe some file system full, SQL error, memory error, CPU stuck, and so any long running thread, long running work process, that kind of P2. So P3 is so it's a medium priority. So medium priority, and P4 is the low priority tickets here, right? This is the priority of the tickets here. So P3, priority 1, priority 2, priority 4. This two we have the time 2 days, in 3 days we can time, so we can fix it out. But these two we have immediately we need to fix. In that one we have to fix immediately. You are in the different work also, you need to stop that work, you need to pick up this ticket, P1 ticket, you need to pick up. We have to work on that area, P1, P2, P3, P4, priority 4 tickets here. And email communication always should be, we have to, we need to post to the wider audience for the P1 tickets and everything here. P1 tickets means priority system down situation. Meaning there is a business impact. Immediately we need to fix this kind of things here, right? So that is the priority tickets and everything in the systems here. Okay. So that is the ticketing tools here, right? Incidents like starts with the INC. So then there is a number, and in the incidents, there are types of tickets here. So coming to the service request, maybe sometimes like SR or the request REQ, something like that, you will get it out. Service request is like a ad hoc basis, some service oriented request, some kind of which are not in the agreement, those will come as a service requirement, service request, like connection open, connection close, right? It's service based request here. Connection open, connection close. This kind of things will comes under the service request, SR or REQ. So those will comes under as a REQ, and there is a number will come here. REQ, there is a request number will come here, right? That depends upon that one here. This one we don't have any time, so just we can just ad hoc basis. So we need to work on this ticket, this one here. So change ticket, change ticket means here CRQ. It starts with the CRQ here. CRQ means change request. If we any issues, sorry, any changes we want to do the system, our production system, definitely you should be required a one change request ticket number is required here. Without CRQ, we cannot do any changes in our system. So to implement the ITL process in our organization, in our company, so definitely we should follow that procedure, this procedure. Immediately blindly cannot go ahead and change all those things here. Why? Because there is a approval procedure, there is a cap. So everybody should participate, everybody should agree this one. So then only you can go ahead and implement this change. Otherwise, if someone reject this change, you cannot implement this change. So there is a procedure for CRQs. So change means something you are doing some changes in the system, maybe profile parameter changes or something background job changes something like you are implementing the transport request in your system, production systems. So some changes you are doing in the system, so which require the some impact and which will impact some in the system, SAP system. So that time, these changes are this CRQ request is important. Why? Because without following this ITL process, uh, if you implement the changes in your system, tomorrow if there is a auditing, then we are the first caught persons to so provide the evidences and everything here. So that is the reason if the changes are transports are moving, there is a CRQ. If the some profile parameter changes you are doing, there is a CRQ. So these things are important. These things are very important here, right? CRQ change request procedure here, right? That is the one thing here. So, and one more thing, problem tickets here. Problem, PB, PB and numbers. Problem tickets means here. So problem ticket here. Problem tickets like a so problem. Suppose sometimes what happens, every day you are getting the incidents. Today also unavailability, RFC connection, DB disconnect. So many issues you got it. Tomorrow, last 1 week, every day you are getting the issue. So every time you are getting the incidents, and so that is not the case, right? So every day you are getting the incident, you are checking no issues, you are closing the ticket you are closing. So that, but every day you are getting the count is increasing. In that case, that type of repeated incidents, reoccurrence incidents, repeated or reoccurrence incidents, we can create a problem ticket. PB problem ticket, we can create it. Why? Because problem ticket, there is no SLA. So we need to provide the root cause analysis for problem tickets. Why does DB disconnect issues we are getting? So all the incident ticket we need to link to the problem ticket. Then so we need to fix the issues here. So any ticketing tool we have the types of procedures are there here. Those procedures we need to follow to close the problem ticket as a change request or anything here. Right? This is the ticketing tool here. So normally our day starts with this tickets only here. How many incidents we have closed per day, so per day and per month, per week. And so based upon our efforts, estimation will be counted based on this one here, right? So that's why, so ticketing tools are very important. So this using this reference ticket, we will fix the issues. We will do the changes in our SAP systems. So if you want to stop the SAP system, definitely you require a change ticket. So why? Because which is impacting the production ticket, that is like a production priority one, or some changes you are doing in the system, definitely that should be a P1 changes you are doing, that is the problem. So CRQ is required here. Change request is required here. That is the ticketing tools here, right? So, and one more thing is here, apart from the ticketing tools here, service marketplace. Service marketplace. Nowadays, we will call it as the me.sap.com. So what is me.sap.com? Yeah. SAP related anything, if we want to download the softwares, we want to so download the documents and everything, we need to log into the me.sap.com, note implementation, softwares, add-ons, plugins. So anything which is licenses, anything me.sap.com, which required the yes user ID is required. With yes user ID, we will log in, we will do the respective activities in the systems here. Yes, user ID. So this yes user ID will be provided by the company. So yes user ID will be provided by the company. Once you join the organization in the SAP projects, so definitely they will arrange a one yes user ID or common or shared one or individual. So they will share the one yes user ID. So that is helpful to do the service marketplace level activities, right? So here, what kind of the things software downloads, taking the some documentation. So apart from that, raising the ticket with the SAP. So raising the ticket with SAP, raising the so ticket with SAP, raising the the ticket with SAP here. Ticket with SAP, raising the ticket with SAP and open the connection, open and close the OSS connections, So there are the types of connections are there. Raising a ticket with SAP, working on the tickets, SAP ticket. These all of the SAP tickets here. Internal ticketing tool is different, and in the service marketplace ticketing tool is different here. Why? Because here, in case we are also unable to fix it, then we need to raise the ticket with the SAP, who provided the SAP vendor, some softwares to us. We have to work with the SAP here, right? Open and close the connection, raising the ticket with the SAP, yes, user ID. And other than that, so we have the multiple things we have to do. Main thing is here day to day. So we have to open and close the connections, tickets raising, tickets creating it to SAPs. So this kind of work we do in the day-to-day activities here, right? So here for that one, we need to log into the me.sap.com, me.sap.com, and we will fix the, so here. Why? Because SAP sits here, SAP team, SAP basis team, the experts team. So we are in the customer network, different network here. We are in the different network, they are in the different network here. So here we have the all SAP systems are located here. Here we have the all the SAP systems are here, right? Customer SAP systems are here, right? So here all SAP systems are here. Then how we can contact to them, right? Here this is the SAP here. So they will log into the our SAP systems, right? How? Via so router, SAP router. So router is one of the small service here that we have to install in our organization. So all our SAP systems, we have to maintain all our SAP system IP details. We have to maintain in the router here. We have to maintain in the router here. So that what will happen here? So all our SAP system details we will maintain in the router here. So SAP, when you raise the one ticket with SAP here, SAP person will via router, he will connect to our SAP system. He will log into the one of the our ECC system, but there is a connection should be opened. Then only he can come to connect. He will log into our SAP system here, right? So then we have to open the connection. There are the types of connections are there in SAP here. R3 connection. So there are the types of connections are there. So let me show you those connections as well. So how they will work on these things here. me.sap.com. So you see here, this is the me.sap.com service marketplace here. Here we know SAP download center, which means all the softwares and packages we can download it here, right? And maintenance planner, to create the maintenance planner patches and everything, we use the maintenance planner options and everything here, right? So this is the place here. It's me.sap.com with this user ID. We will log in here. So here if you want to raise the ticket, or if you want to log into the, if you want to licenses or anything here we will download the licenses here. Here there is an option in the keys, license keys, developer keys, migration keys, any keys we will download from here. Licenses or everything will download it here, right? So then here we have the systems tab here, systems tab here. So we have the list of systems are available here, list of systems are available. So let me pause it here. For this, for this service marketplace, this kind of things we can perform it here. Mainly connection open, licenses, downloading the software, this kind of things we do in the our service marketplace here. So apart from that, here, so in the marketplace normally we work on the marketplace. Yes, user ID you will get when you join the organization or project. Based on the test user ID, you have to work on the non-SAP related things like marketplace. There open the connection, ticket created, and working on the SAP, fixing the resolution, notes, and softwares, patches, maintenance planner, licenses, all kind of work you do in the service marketplace here, right? So this is the way we work in when we work in the for SAP systems. Okay. So and other things what we have.